This is Michael Nelms at Hayward Allen Motor Company in Athens, Georgia, here to present a 2017 pre-owned Suburban Premier package. Black on black with 20-inch factory wheels, equipped with heated and cooling front seats, power fold side mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated and cooling front seats, wireless charging pad, center bucket seats with room for 7. This is a lot of vehicle for not a lot of money. It's got the power lift gate. It's got the backup camera and backup sensors. It's got the power fold second and third row seating. This vehicle has been serviced and is ready to go. Please call me for more information at 706-621-8518. Financing is available for extended terms with approved credit. If you've got a car with negative equity, this is a good one to get out from under. This vehicle is at Hayward Allen Motor Company, 2590 Atlanta Highway in Athens, Georgia. Call Michael for more information, 706-621-8518.